Yo, what's up? So tonight I'm just upgrading this old 1989 RadioShack truck. They made the exact same ones, but the Hummer version. So I've added all these stickers on it. That's the original sticker. I've added that. Can do the whole back window and little stickers and shit like that, make it look cool. I have a little trailer hitch on there and some duct tape mud flaps. So I've ripped out the old guts already. I didn't video that, but I'm putting Armor Raider brushed ESC in it. The Mega waterproof 2S capable. Oh shit, I forgot I even had this one. I thought this was the other one in there. Damn. Shit, I forgot I even bought that. Sprint 2 Duramax, cool. Anyway. So yeah, that's CSC that's going in there. DX2E remote and receiver. So yeah, I ripped out the old guts. They're just like a circuit board type of deal. I actually have had this modified before, but I ripped the guts out and I'm doing it again. So I'm putting this 540 long can Titan in it. Just a brushed motor, well obviously for the brushed DSC. Oh yeah, and I did do some modifications to the shocks too. I put softer springs on it, so now it's not so bouncy and bumpy when it's going. It actually takes the bumps and stuff a lot better. I also took a sticky tack and put it in my front and back differential, because I'd get stuck in the sand, or the snow I mean, and one tire would spin like crazy, so now it's front and back are both locked. So yeah, I'll go ahead, I'm not going to film the whole thing, but I'll go ahead and start putting the motor in and the ESC and mount everything securely. So I got her all put back together except the motor. This is a motor I've used before. It's, you know, fairly new, but I had it on some old truck. I had another RadioShack or Tyco RC or something. I had one of these gears that doesn't have a little Allen key in it. It goes onto your flat stock. So I was banging on it, and then I had needle nose pliers and everything trying to pry it off, and eventually got it off, and the motor was seized. I actually broke the magnets in the inside, so I don't know if it was just a cheap motor. It was only like 23 bucks brand new, but or somewhere around there. It's probably just me prying on it though, not knocking the motor. So now I have to get a new motor, which sucks really bad, but got everything else hooked up. Steering servo was hooked up. So I put some screws in here, and I just gotta put some screws in here and finish up the job. For now, the back end will come apart, and that's no problem. Get a new motor tomorrow, post a video of this going through the snow. Like I said before, I do have a old video on my channel of this. Quality's not the best. I did it with a cell phone, but you can still see what's going on. And I did take the rack and lights off, just because I wasn't really digging them. Plan on putting lights, LEDs all over in the back and front. It's a pretty nice RC, good size. I'm not even joking, I had Sidewinder 3 in it before for about 2 weeks. Thought the gears were just going to be stripped and gone, but they weren't. So I've had this stock just with the normal circuit board and whatnot in it. It was okay, I guess. And I had that in there, and it was pretty damn good. That can handle the 3S and 2S for a brush system. It's not really focusing, but 2 to 3S lipo capability, 5 to 9 nickel metal. That was damn good. Then I had this in there just because I got it and it was new, so I said fuck, why not try it. I ended up putting that in something else, putting this in something else, so I had the arm sitting around, so I'm going to throw that in there for now. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. It's just a small channel and trying to get going here, I guess. Anyway, take her easy. PG, PGO. Peace. Thank you. Tyco RC. Tires are there, they're not missing. Twin. RadioShack. RadioShack. New Bright from 1993. Believe it or not, New Bright actually made good RCs. RadioShack, RadioShack. This is kind of screwed up, so I'm going to make it into a little Frankenstein. Put the tracks on the back and skis on the front. So that'll be pretty cool. Real working system, stereo system. 4-foot boat, next project, nitro.